Hello everyone. So we have came up with a new feature that is by using the Excel, you can upload items while creating the document. So earlier, suppose if you needed to create a PO of 500 items, so that was a tedious activity where you need to go ahead and just enter items one by one. But now we have came up with a feature where you can create an Excel file. In that, you just need to fill few of the details, and then after you can upload that Excel in order to create the document. So the selection will be manual, but after that, the item adding that can be automated through Excel. So let me show you how this will work. So first of all, go to all module, go to sales and purchase. Right hand side, you will see an option of create document. Click on this. Now you can select any of the document from here. Suppose I want to create a purchase order. So I clicked on purchase order. As I mentioned, the very first step, that is selecting supplier, that will be manual. So I selected one of my supplier. Now go below. Here you can see that you will get an option of download as Excel. Once you will download this as Excel, you will get a template. So we do have a fixed template for the same. You can use that particular template in order to upload the items. Please don't make any changes in the template. Also, in template, there is a limit of 1,000 items. So 1,000 item need to be there in order to go ahead and upload the Excel. So more than 1,000 will not be allowed. You can create an Excel with 2 items as well. That is fine. So please check the remaining details are here. I will simply just go ahead and put a title. Then after I will select the delivery date. Now go below. Here is the bulk upload option. Now what I will do, I have already created an Excel file. I will simply just select the bulk upload, and then after I will go to my download. This is one of my format, which is I just selected the format, and please check all the details which are in the Excel came into my PO creation page. Now I can go below. After that, I can simply just go ahead and use the save draft or save and send in order to create the document. Click on save and send. Please check this particular PO is created. So this is how you can create the document by uploading the items through Excel file. There are few does and don'ts. So you can use the Excel template. You can keep up to 1,000 item in that Excel template, and then after you can upload the same. Please don't make any changes in the Excel template. Do not attach any additional sheet. Item ID need to be unique. And also, if there are custom field, please fill the data if they are mandatory. I hope this video will be helpful to you with our new feature. Have a good day.